Hello, and welcome back to Tutorials Arena. Today we will discuss MCQs on topic operating system. So let's get started. What is the primary difference between a Type 1 and a Type 2 hypervisor? The correct answer is option A. Type 1 runs directly on the hardware, while Type 2 runs on a host operating system. In distributed systems, what is the purpose of Lamport's logical clocks? The correct answer is option B. To provide a partial ordering of events to determine causality. Which disk scheduling algorithm provides the most uniform wait time by only servicing requests in one direction and immediately returning to the beginning? The correct answer is option C, C-scan. In the context of protection and security, what is a capability in a capability-based system? The correct answer is option D. A token or key that grants the holder specific access rights to an object. What is the primary motivation for using slab allocation in the Linux kernel? The correct answer is option A. To eliminate internal fragmentation and reduce overhead for frequently used kernel objects. Under rate monotonic scheduling, RMS, which process is assigned the highest priority? The correct answer is option B. The process with the shortest period, highest frequency. What is the function of a journal in a journaling file system like Extension 4? The correct answer is option C. To record changes before they are committed to the main file system to ensure consistency. Which component of the OS is responsible for managing data transfer between a peripheral device and main memory without continuous CPU involvement? The correct answer is option D. The Direct Memory Access (DMA) controller. What is a characteristic of a microkernel architecture? The correct answer is option A. It moves as many services as possible from the kernel into user space. How does spooling differ from buffering? The correct answer is option B. Spooling overlaps I/O of one job with the computation of others. Buffering overlaps I/O of one job with its own computation. In a hard real-time system, what happens if a task misses its deadline? The correct answer is option C. A total system failure or catastrophic error may occur. In a Unix-like file system, where is the file's metadata, such as size, owner, and permissions, stored? The correct answer is option D. In the inode. Which of the following causes the most significant overhead during a context switch? The correct answer is option A. Saving and restoring registers and flushing the TLB, translation look-aside buffer. To prevent deadlock by attacking the circular wait condition, what strategy is typically used? The correct answer is option B, imposing a total ordering of all resource types and requiring processes to request resources in increasing order. The buddy system is a memory allocation algorithm primarily designed to. The correct answer is option C, quickly allocate and free memory blocks by splitting and merging powers of 2. What is the role of a trap instruction in an operating system? The correct answer is option D. To switch from user mode to kernel mode via a software-generated interrupt. In distributed systems, location transparency means the correct answer is option A. Users can access resources without knowing their physical location. Which RAID level uses block-level striping with distributed parity across all disks? The correct answer is option B, RAID 5. What is a monitor in the context of process synchronization? The correct answer is option C. A high-level synchronization construct that allows only one process at a time to be active within it. What is the benefit of copy-on-write cow during a fork system call? The correct answer is option D. It delays the actual copying of memory pages until one process attempts to modify them, saving time and space. Which CPU scheduling algorithm is designed to favor interactive jobs by using multiple queues with different priorities and time slices? The correct answer is option A, multi-level feedback queue. In the x86 protection ring model, which ring usually hosts the operating system kernel? The correct answer is option B, ring 0. What is a major disadvantage of indexed allocation of files on a disk? The correct answer is option C. There is significant pointer overhead, especially for very small files. Which threading model maps many user-level threads to many kernel-level threads? The correct answer is option D, many to many. The Lady's anomaly states that the correct answer is option A. For some page replacement algorithms, the page fault rate may increase as the number of allocated frames increases. In an interrupt-driven I/O system, what does the CPU do while the I/O device is performing an operation? The correct answer is option B. It switches to another task or process. What does the principle of least privilege imply in OS security? The correct answer is option C. Users and processes should be granted only the minimum permissions necessary to perform their tasks. How does Android's application sandboxing work at the OS level? The correct answer is option D. By assigning a unique user ID (UID) to each application and running it in a separate process. Which interprocess communication (IPC) mechanism is generally the fastest for transferring large amounts of data? The correct answer is option A, shared memory. What is the main advantage of containerization, e.g., Docker, over traditional virtual machines? The correct answer is option B. Containers are more lightweight because they share the host OS kernel. Thank you for watching.